Hello, and welcome to Sales Navigator app tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to get started with Sales Navigator for Salesforce, including how to import Salesforce data and a brief overview of our features. To get started with Sales Navigator for Salesforce, you will need to have downloaded the Sales Navigator app on your iPad. You can download Sales Navigator for Salesforce from the iTunes App Store. Make sure you have downloaded the blue icon, which is our Salesforce version. Once you have downloaded the app, you can get started by opening the app and signing into your Salesforce account. Tap Allow to give Sales Navigator permission to access your account. The first thing you'll want to do when entering Sales Navigator is to import your Salesforce data. Start by pressing the Salesforce Cloud icon. Here you will see any standard or custom objects available for import. Tap the object you would like to import. Here you can import all or choose a view to work with. I'm going to choose my New York mid-market accounts to start planning my trip to New York in March. I'm also going to import my New York City leads to see if there's anyone I can drop in on in the area. Once imported, you will see your account and lead objects on the map. Tap a pin to see the object details. Scroll down to see object fields and related objects. Also, you can see what groups they are part of. Tap the blue icons to take action on contact data, such as sending an email, visiting a contact's website, or exporting the address for directions. You can also view all imported objects in a list view. Scroll to a letter or search the list for specific contacts. There are 4 different list views: All, Filtered, Map View, and Circle. All is all the objects you have imported. Filtered shows objects that meet group filtering criteria. Map View shows all objects in the viewable map area by distance and direction to the map center. Circle shows all objects in a radius, set by pinching and zooming the map. The next icon to the left is the group icon. Tap the group icon to view the different map groups and filter groups on the map. All imported objects are automatically placed into a group by view and by object type. Tap a group to turn groups on and off. Easily create groups by tapping the plus icon in the right-hand corner. Create a custom Sales Navigator group or generate automatic groups from Salesforce fields. Automatic groups are generated by pick list fields in Salesforce. For example, checking lead source would generate groups such as phone inquiry or referral, or rating would generate groups such as hot, warm, or cold. You can also filter groups by address label type. In the center, you will find the calendar view. You can view your calendar on the map up to a calendar quarter. Here I will just focus on this week as I am planning my trip to New York. Now you can see all appointments you have that week. Looks like I have some things set up for March 24th, so I'll change the date focus to Tuesday. Now you'll be able to see appointment times and the route between them. You can also view daily tasks in a list view by tapping the task icon. Tasks are generated by open activities in Salesforce and from calendar appointments synced with your device. Easily add a task by tapping the plus icon and editing the information. Tap the status flag to edit the status of the task. Tap the refresh button to refresh tasks from Salesforce. The next icon to the right is the Trips icon. The Trips feature helps you visualize daily sales trips by adding all calendar appointments and daily meeting tasks to the window and showing the route between them. Add your start and end locations and times to create a full trip. I will show you later where you can create default settings to quickly add your home or work address as the start and end location. Now I will show you quickly how to navigate the trips window. Between each stops, you will see your ETA, distance, and travel time. Tap Hide Route to hide routes on the map. Turn routes on one at a time by tapping the route icon. Tap the information icon to see directions between stops. Tap the arrow at the top right-hand corner to export the address to Apple Maps for turn-by-turn directions. If you see nearby opportunities along the route, you can easily add them to your trip by creating appointments or drop-in meeting tasks. Start by tapping a nearby contact. Tap Add Meeting or Event Quick button at the top. Edit the task information and tap Done. Meeting tasks have no set time and will automatically be added below the last appointment. Since all the meeting tasks are added after the last appointment, I want to optimize my route to see if there's a better route for me to take and to see if I have time during my day to visit more people. You can optimize the newly created route by tapping the Optimize button at the bottom of the Trips window. Optimize by time, which favors highway, distance, which favors the shortest route, or a balance between the two. Now the meeting tasks in your trip will have been rearranged while keeping your appointments at fixed times. Now I can also see that I have plenty of time to see more people or accomplish more tasks during the day. As I have been setting up my day, all the open activities I created and all activities completed can be synced with Salesforce by tapping the sync icon. Now we will move to the icons at the bottom of the screen. First we will start with the settings icon. Tap the settings icon to edit your preferences. As discussed earlier, use the trip settings to set your home and work addresses so you can easily use them as the start and end locations for your trips. Also, set default start and end times, choose your route colors, and set default meeting durations for more accurate optimization. The next icon is all of your activity history. The keypad to the right is our Sales Navigator calling services, allowing you to call contacts without leaving the app. Next is standard hybrid map views. Change to hybrid map view to see more detailed map information. Here you can also tap and hold a pin to change its location and update the location in Salesforce. The last icon to the right is the arrow icon. You can tap this icon to go to your current location. Thanks for watching our Getting Started video for Sales Navigator. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at appsupport@thecaseygroup.com or visit salesnavigatorapp.com/support.